This app is worth $16.8 million, and I'm going to build it from scratch in the next 15 to 20 minutes using nothing but no code. And I'm not kidding. By the end of this video, you will have this exact app. Watch this. You upload a picture of your meal. And for this example, I used a pomegranate and feta salad with walnuts. You hit analyze nutrition and boom, you get a full nutritional breakdown. It includes calories, protein, carbs, fat, a list of ingredients, key nutrients, and it even gives you a health insight. And an added bonus, I've also included dietary considerations. This is the exact function that made an 18-year-old a multimillionaire. So how is an app this simple worth $16.8 million? A high school kid called Zach Yadgari built an app called Cal AI that does exactly this. In just a few months, it gained thousands of users and is now helping over 1 million people. He proved that you don't need a complex idea to build something with incredible value. You just need to solve a real problem. But building an app like this usually means learning to code, hiring expensive developers, and waiting months to even see a first version. But I'm gonna do it before this video ends. Alright, let's get started. I'm moving fast, so pause if you need to. But every single step is very simple. First, we need a website or app. And I'm using a tool called Lovable.dev. You literally just chat with an AI and it will build the site or the app for you. And just like any AI, all you have to do is give it a series of prompts. So my goal was to create a fast mobile-first web app where a user uploads or snaps a meal photo and instantly sees a nutritional breakdown. The app then sends the image to an NA10 webhook and renders the returned JSON. The app should feel clean, trustworthy, and app-like on mobile. And then I've given it some core requirements, some guidelines for the file upload and camera usage, the webhook integration, and what to return if it's outside of the boundaries of what the app is programmed to do. I've given it UX, UI design principles, performance and basics guidelines, and basically everything that Cal AI does, I've replicated in this app using a prompt. And after a few minutes of going back and forth with the AI chat, it's created this beautiful app. And honestly, this is better than most of what I've seen on the App Store. I can even save this nutritional output as an image, and I can analyze another one. Everything you see here was created with AI. I haven't coded any of this. The upload button, the layout, everything. It's all AI. You can even publish this website and send it to your friends or family so they can test it too. Okay, so we have the website or app, but we need to connect it to something. Something like an AI brain that can process the image and send useful nutritional information back to the app. And that's where NA10 comes in. NA10 is our no-code automation platform. It's like the central nervous system for this app. It will receive an image from our app, send it to an AI agent for analysis, and then send the results back to the app. So the first node we need is a webhook. And the webhook is like a bridge that connects two platforms together. And this is my unique web address that waits for data as soon as the analyze image button has been pressed. Now I've given it a path of calorie-tracker just so it makes more sense. And when it runs, you receive an image file like this. And this is the pomegranate and feta salad that I uploaded in the example that I showed you. Now for the most important node in the entire app, the AI agent. This is the nutrition analyzer. And I've given it a prompt, which is to identify the foods in this image and generate a full nutritional profile, including calories, macronutrients, and key nutrients. Highlight any notable health insights or dietary considerations based on the composition. We want to specify an output, so make sure this is toggled on. And then we want to automatically pass through binary images because the image that was sent over from Lovable.dev is actually a binary file. And then once it runs, you'll see an output like this. So it's identified that it's a pomegranate and feta salad with walnuts. It's given me the key ingredients, the nutrition, the macronutrients, and some health insights. This has all been generated by my nutritional analyzer agent. The language model I'm using for this is Google Gemini Pro 2.5 because the API is free, and I wanted something heavy duty that can analyze the entire image and come back with as much details as possible. And then we need a structured output parser. And what this looks like is basically a list of variables. So we'll have dish name, ingredients, nutrition, macronutrients, health insights, and dietary considerations. And these are the variables you can see on the right hand side. And this is the data that's going to be sent back to my Meal Lens calorie tracking app. And what's great about this automation is that it runs in only 32 seconds. So that's the moment it receives the image, it analyzes the image, and it sends the data back to the Meal Lens app. Now you can make this faster by using a language model like 2.5 Flash from Google Gemini, but I wanted something a bit more heavy duty because I want more insights. And we just did it. We built a fully functional, valuable AI in only a few minutes. And honestly, this entire build took me about 30 minutes. That includes the front-end mobile web app and the back-end N8N automation. And the most incredible part of this build isn't the app. It's that the barrier to creating powerful, valuable software is disappearing. You don't need a computer science degree. You just need to connect two powerful no-code platforms together. And the final step, if you want to go into production, is to publish the app on Lovable and activate the workflow inside of N8N, but changing it from a test webhook to a production webhook. And now your app is permanently live and ready to be shared with anybody. And if you want the prompt and the workflow and save hours doing this yourself, just click on the link in the description, sign up to my AI community, and I'll see you on the inside. And if this video blew your mind, do me a solid, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, turn your notifications on so you know when the next video drops. Because I'm somebody that runs an AI agency and all my videos will show you you how to make more money with AI, save more time, help you find AI clients, or just let you have fun building AI solutions. Thanks for watching if you made it this far, and I'll see you next time.